Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update Metabones firmware. First, visit the official Metabones website and download the most recent firmware file for your specific adapter model. Before proceeding, make sure your Metabones adapter is completely disconnected from your camera body. Then, use a compatible USB cable to connect your Metabones adapter directly to your computer. This setup is crucial for a smooth update process. Once connected, find the downloaded firmware updater application on your computer and launch it. The software should automatically detect your Metabones adapter. Verify that the correct adapter model is displayed within the updater. Carefully read and follow any on-screen instructions or prompts that appear. These steps will guide you through initiating the firmware update process safely and efficiently. While the firmware update is in progress, it is extremely important not to disconnect the USB cable from either your computer or the Metabones adapter. Interrupting the process can potentially damage the adapter. Also, try to avoid using your computer for other demanding tasks during this time to prevent any system slowdowns. Patiently wait until the updater software displays a clear message indicating that the update has successfully completed. After receiving the successful completion message, you can safely disconnect your Metabones adapter from your computer. Now, attach the newly updated adapter to your camera body. Finally, mount a compatible lens onto the adapter and perform a quick test. Check that autofocus, aperture control, and any other relevant functions are working correctly. Enjoy your updated Metabones adapter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.